Today, we are making the most delicious, soft, and tender Chapli Kabab. Ingredients: 1 large tomato, 2 red bell pepper, 1 medium onion, 2 green chilies, 4 garlic cloves. Chop all the vegetables, then grind them together into a fine mixture. Two pounds of lean ground beef. Add the vegetable mixture to the meat. Now let's add the spices. 1½ tablespoons ground coriander, ½ tablespoon chili flakes, ½ tablespoon garlic powder, ½ tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, turmeric powder, ½ tablespoon, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Mix everything well until fully combined. Set aside and let it rest for 30 minutes. Form the mixture into small balls and flatten them into patties. Fry on medium heat until golden brown and cooked through. Now your delicious Chapli Kababs are ready to enjoy. Serve with fresh salad, warm bread, or rice, whichever you prefer. If you liked this recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another easy and delicious recipe. Have a wonderful day.